Hey y'all, I'm Tiana Michelle and welcome back to my channel. I want to give my hair extra love this week, so I've partnered with Olaplex for this video. Keep watching for all the details and check the description box for more info. Starting with the number 3 hair perfector, this product works best on damp towel dried hair, so I went ahead and wet my hair and detangled, so I have this beautiful fro action going on. I also sectioned my hair off just so it's easier for me to distribute the product, being that y'all know I have super thick hair. Now, I've been using this particular product for years, and I'm not even gonna lie, the very first time that I used this product, I think it was about 2 or 3 years ago, I used it incorrectly because I was a little bit confused on what to do with it. But you use this product before shampooing. It's not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. Even though I treat my hair with tenderness and give it the best treatment I can, it's still susceptible to damage, and I'm not just talking heat damage either. Hair can experience damage from many different factors, and over time when this happens, the bonds in your hair can become broken. And what I really enjoy about Olaplex number 3 is that it contains Olaplex's patented bond building ingredient, which penetrates the hair and rebuilds those damaged bonds. And when these bonds are broken, it can create issues such as split ends, dryness, frizziness, breakage, etc. And for me, I used to deal with elasticity issues in the past, and ever since I started using this product, my curls are popping, like they always bounce back. The shrinkage shrinks. I know we complain about shrinkage, but shrinkage is a good thing. And once I have this all over my hair, I leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes. Now with this product, it's not going to do you any harm if you leave it on for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, a little over an hour. You're going to see the benefits. You just have to make sure you rinse it out afterwards and follow up with a shampoo and conditioner. And speaking of which, I'll be following up with the number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I didn't have to use a lot of this product because it lathers really well. It restores, repairs, and nourishes to add incredible shine and manageability to your hair. I think it's also really important to note that all of Olaplex's products are formulated with their patented bond building technology. The hair perfector just contains the highest concentration of that ingredient. If you watch my videos, then you already know that I love detangling while shampooing. It's just what's easier for me, but please continue to do what works for you. If you prefer to detangle while conditioning or before washing your hair, then keep doing that. I will never stop advocating for people doing what works specifically for their hair, even if that looks different from what other people are doing, and that's something that you'll never see me stop doing. I'm not into strict rules. I'm not into one size fits all with natural hair, especially natural hair, because our hair is all so diverse. Once I simplified the things that I do in my routine, my hair has flourished, and I just enjoy doing my hair so much more. It doesn't feel stressful. I don't feel this pressure, this unnecessary pressure that we shouldn't feel. Next, I'm following up with number 8, which is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. This mask is highly concentrated and it adds shine and body while providing intense moisture to treat your hair. This mask is 3.3 fluid ounces, which might scare some of my natural folks and people who have thick hair, but I only use a couple pumps of this product and I still have a good bit left. Coming from someone who can be quite heavy-handed when it comes to deep conditioners, especially those that are more pricey, make sure that you can feel the product on your hair. You don't have to necessarily see it for your hair to be nice and coated. As long as you can feel it, you're going to get those benefits and you won't be wasting product. And since I started my routine off today with the number 3 hair perfector, I honestly could have followed up after the shampoo with the bond maintenance conditioner, but since I wanted to add a little extra care and moisture to my hair, I used this mask instead. I have a feeling that it's going to pair really well with the hair perfector, and I'm going to see good results that will last throughout the week. And don't mind me here, y'all, I'm just admiring my hair's thickness, because I'm not ashamed to say that it took me a long time to truly love and accept my hair in its natural state and all of its thickness and volume and texture. I'm gonna put my hair under a cap and go sit under my hooded dryer for 10 minutes before coming back and rinsing everything out. Lastly, I'm going in with the Bond Smoother. This is a leave-in styling treatment. I'm applying it to my damp hair from about mid-length all the way down to my ends. I'm also using my detangling brush just to make sure everything is evenly distributed throughout my hair. This leave-in treatment has many uses. You can use it to speed up your blow drying time, to define and smooth your hair, or to reduce any frizz and flyaways. I ended up doing a wash and go, and if you want to see how I achieved that look and what I use, stay tuned because I have a video coming out at the end of January that I've been working on for a few weeks and it's almost finished up. So this is how my hair is looking after finishing my entire wash day routine. I chose to go with a wash and go today with very minimal product. I've been incorporating Olaplex products in my routine for years and I can really see a difference in the health of my hair. I love the way my hair looks and feels immediately after using their products, especially the hair perfector. For a quick routine, I use the number 3 hair perfector and then I follow up with number 4 and 5, which is the bonding shampoo and conditioner. But today I wanted to do a little more for my hair, so rather than using the number 5 conditioner, I went in with the number 8 intense moisture mask. Even though I didn't use all the Olaplex products, I believe I have all of them except for number 1 and 2 because that's for professional use only, so you can only get those treatments done in the salon. But if you want the best at-home treatment possible, you can use 0, 3, and 8 together in the same routine lineup. And I'm curious to use the bond protector and bonding oil in a blowout routine, so let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that from me. Let me know what you guys think about my results down in the comments. Have you used Olaplex products before, or if you'd be interested in trying them out? I'm just excited. I love my hair. Don't forget to check the description box down below if you want to know more information about the products that I use in this video. And quick reminder that the styling portion that was not shown in this video will be included in a video that will be coming out at the end of the month. I truly hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.